A charming and urbane fragrance, Oriental 12 is perfect for the man who lives without limits and seizes his dreams. There are many components in each of our fragrance compositions. An incredible blend of various orchid scents and other scent enhancers form a harmonious olfactory profile. The first orchid you will find in Oriental 12 is this beautiful hybrid orchid. Large blooms and shapes of violet stood with exceeding elegance, flaring its beauty with alluring appeal. A unique element found in all our fragrance compositions are the presence of therapeutic orchids. With the infusion of these orchid scents, they help to improve mood and feelings of well-being throughout the day. Not only that, they are also highly reputed as medicinal herbs. This therapeutic orchid is often used in Chinese herbal prescriptions. Aside from possessing detoxifying properties, this plant helps in moderating qi, improving blood circulation, and relieving pain. It is also used in the treatment of malaria, backache, and rashes. Possessing an amazing fragrance, this orchid thrives in forests and along valleys. It enjoys a wide application in Chinese medicines, almost similar to that of ginseng. It can be used to treat coughs caused by weak lungs, traumatic injuries, and blood clotting. A decoction of this plant even helps relieve stomachache and liver disorders. Alluring accords of ivy, lily of the valley, fresh hyacinth, and wisteria are added in Oriental 12. Let's find out what some of their olfactory profile is like. With its distinct green nuances, the scent of ivy is extremely evocative of nature. It lends a fresh and green soul to the composition, offering a sense of refreshment while dressing the composition in a veil of green. Soft floral whiffs of lilac and spice from wisteria adds boost of vitality and spice to the fragrance. A flower reminiscent of spring, it is remarkably beautiful both in sight and smell. These spectacular violet blooms also hold symbolic meanings of happiness, longevity, and love, conjuring an identical effect in the fragrance. Beyond its beauty, its essential oil is used in aromatherapy to rid the mind of negative and troubling thoughts or simply for meditation. In a nutshell, this fragrance is overall refreshing, sparkling, and utterly alluring. Need we say more? We love it for its versatility. Refreshing yet with the warmth of spices, it can be worn for a day in the office or on a date night. And it even delivers amazing longevity. What more can we ask for in a fragrance?